Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Load Up Crypto. So guys, we've literally, as you can probably see, that we've rebranded the channel's name to Load Up Crypto. Previously it was called Degen Kid, and yeah, Load Up Crypto is the new name that we're looking to take forwards and build from there. So guys, I hope you enjoy the content. Let's get straight into it. Basically, it's going to be a quick update. Just wanted to kind of put some alpha out there, let you guys know what I'm looking at, and just take a look at the market as a whole. So guys, the market, as we can see, is not looking too great. Not looking too great versus you know, like a week or so ago, or even a couple of days ago. Considering we had CPI come in at 3.3% and the target was 3.4%, and FOMC pretty much came in line as well at 5.5%. The market's not really taken that too well, to be honest. I mean, you know, Bitcoin's down at 66.8. Previously it was around that 70k mark, so it's dropped slightly, but this is still good because we're still ranging, so we're still in a range. And what that basically means is that the longer that we stay in this range, the move to the upside, which I hope it does be a move to the upside, is going to be a lot more violent and aggressive, and yeah, we'll see maximum gains once we get that breakout. So guys, if we take a look at CoinGecko, we can see the market as a whole versus yesterday down 3.9%. Bitcoin is down 2.3%. ETH is down 1.9%, and yes, it's not looking too great. I mean, there are some projects that are doing quite well, but overall it's not looking too great. And normally what I'd like to do is jump to the fear and greed index. So the fear and greed index is actually at 70, and it was shown at 72 yesterday, and last week it was 78. So I don't really believe those numbers, because there seems to be a lot more fear in the market, and yeah, there's a lot of speculation that the fear and greed index is actually broken. So yeah, hit me up in the comments, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, a bit strange that we're still sitting on the 70 mark in greed, when you know, the market was kind of panic selling before the CPI results came out, and were kind of holding off until we got those CPI and FOMC results. But anyways guys, I want to talk to you about 3 projects that I'm looking to buy, or that I'm actually accumulating, and just accumulating to my bags and buying pretty much right now. So the first project that I'm adding to my bags and accumulating more of is Arweave. So if you take a look at Arweave, and I'll tell you the reason why as well. So you can see that it's down 13.5%. Great project this is, at $29.9. So dropped below. We were literally what, $34 pretty much early on today, and we've dropped down to $29. So we've had the Arweave AO announcement come out, and pretty much the talks around the token distribution of AO. So basically, AO is a decentralized cloud computing platform, and what it does is it enhances scalability and verifying computing by leveraging Arweave's permanent storage. It also uses their modular architecture, and it supports basically high volume coming through. So yeah, it's a crucial AI and data intensive application that Arweave have literally just brought out. It's kind of like a bit of a side project, but very powerful. Supports the whole Arweave computing narrative, and it's also following the same tokenomics as Bitcoin. I think the supply is only going to be 21 million, which is pretty decent, to be honest, considering that, you know, a lot of projects nowadays have normally a minimum supply of like around 1 billion. So yeah, we'll see how that actually performs once it's, you know, tradable and on the market. But a lot of news about that. And what I was doing was I was holding my Arweave tokens in a Arweave wallet, because what I was hoping for is that, you know, there'll be an airdrop of the AO token straight to the wallet. And I haven't actually checked just as of yet, but I'm hoping that that is the case. So guys, hopefully you are holding your Arweave in a wallet as well, and you know, get that kind of, you get that allocation if they do decide to obviously airdrop the AO token to Arweave holders. So yeah, anyways, guys, I'm accumulating this today. Prices have dropped to 29.8 and below that $30 mark. And even if I look at this over the course of 7 days, let's take a look and see where this was. So $41, pretty much come down a whole $11 or so. And yeah, looking like a good buy for me right now. So I've literally loaded up a little bit more of Arweave. The other project that I've loaded up on is Render, because again the price has dropped down 7% today, below the $10 region now, trading at $8.39. Obviously focusing on the whole decentralized GPU side of crypto. And yeah, great project. I've made videos on this before as well. The other project that I was looking at, which is a new one that I haven't actually talked about, is a project called Meson. So Meson, I think it's Meson or Meson. Okay, so Meson Network. Ticker for that is MSN. And you can see total supply of tokens is 100 million. And we are trading at 87 cents. So this is it's a deepen project. So guys, I've just pulled up the website here of Meson, and you can see basically, this is a deepen project, and it focuses and leverages a protocol to standardize the infrastructure resources and offers a marketplace for global trading. So it supports various platforms, including IoT, so Internet of Things, aims to provide a decentralized, high capacity and low latency network. So this looked like one that could potentially blow up, a deepen play as well. So I looked at it, thought prices are pretty cheap considering supply of tokens is only 100 million. It looked like a good buy as well. So yeah, ended up accumulating a decent bag of this project. Okay, so guys, we've seen some projects launch already, like Aether and IONET, and they're doing pretty well at the moment. We've also seen ZK Sync distributing their airdrop, and the way I look at it is that the crypto Twitter has been blowing up and saying that ZK Sync are actually looking at the allocation of their airdrop. So potentially there could be some changes that are made to the airdrops amount, but who knows, right? And the other events that are coming up in June is there's a launch of a project, a token. So Mystico Network, which is a ZK technology layer of Web3, that provides universal ZK protocol and ZK SDK, and that project is going to be launched. The tokens are going to be launched around June the 18th or after, and you can take a look at the website and see if this is something that you might be interested in. So here you can see the base layer of Web3, making blockchains more scalable and interoperable, and then you can see transactions, total volume, and so on. But for me, it looked like a pretty interesting project, so I thought I'd bring it to your attention. And you can see some of the programs that they've participated in, use cases, revolutionize many, create more. Okay, so that doesn't really tell you much, but I mean, take a look at the website. It looks like an interesting project and potentially one that could blow up. The other project was Natix Network. So they're going to be doing a token launch on June 25th or after. Now this again looks like another interesting project, a global mapping network of smart cameras. Basically what it does is, again, it's a deep in play. It's AI powered dynamic mapping, and it's built like it's built from the Deepen Drive community. So I believe it's a bit like Google Maps, and obviously you're rewarded for using their protocol. And here you can see some of the partners. They've got Peak, Solana, Google, Nvidia, Amazon, various others as well. So overall, yeah, this looked like a pretty interesting play. Tokens launch June the 25th or after. And then there's also the Blast project, which is a layer 2 on Ethereum, and I believe the token launches on the 26th of June or potentially after that day. But that was what I've been told are going to be the highlights for June, at least coming up. So we've had the ZK Sync airdrop announcements on Twitter, and we've also then seen the projects like IronNet and Aether pretty much launching as well. So just a few other projects there that are obviously on my radar, and going to be coming up in June as well. Yeah, guys. So obviously, just wanted to bring it to your attention that those are some of the events that are happening in June, and those are some of the projects that I'm actually looking at. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Just wanted to keep it short and brief today, and literally just put some sort of announcement out there and just kind of give you a bit of a feel for the market. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.